crossing the Heliopause.
Imagine being the first to cross a frontier that was, until that moment, purely theoretical. In August 2012, that's exactly what Voyager 1 accomplished. After a 35-year journey covering more than 11 billion miles, it finally punched through the heliopause and entered interstellar space. Its twin, Voyager 2, followed a different path and crossed the boundary in November 2018. This second crossing was vital, confirming the findings from a different location and time. The moment of crossing was confirmed by several instruments, but the smoking gun came from the plasma wave subsystem. Dr. Donald Gurnett, the instrument's principal investigator, analyzed a distinct signal. A clear vibration caused by the much denser plasma of interstellar space. Gurnett described it as hearing the sound of interstellar space, a persistent hum that proved Voyager 1 was no longer in the tenuous solar wind but was now flying through the denser medium of the galaxy. This was a monumental achievement in human exploration, turning the abstract concept of the heliopause into a measurable, physical place. For the first time, a human-made object was directly sampling the stuff between the stars, and the data it sent back was about to get very, very strange.